Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing my high probability setup for the week. So guys, let's head right to the charts. On the Euro USD pairs, we can see on the 4 hours chart, okay, we can see that price has tested the zone a couple of times, right? Okay, and then price started forming new highs. Okay, we have a high at this zone, all right, and then price also formed a new high at this zone, all right, giving us higher highs, which is indicating an uptrend. Okay, so going by this break and retest, okay, we are going to look at how price reacts at this zone and continue with the trend. Okay, but if we look closely on this chart, we can see a shift in momentum, all right. We can see that the bears are gaining control of the market. We can see a break at this zone, all right. You can see a break at this zone and a weak rejection. Okay, so I will keep an eye on this zone to see how price reacts here to continue with the buy. But seeing this momentum shift, all right, so to be conservative, what I'm looking at is to see a clear break of this structure and a pullback, all right, depending on the zone where I see where price reacts to, either at this zone or at this zone, forming a new low. Okay, and then I'll have to ride the trade all the way down. Okay, so guys, that is my expectation for the Euro USD. That will be roughly around 200 pips. Okay, so I will just keep an eye on this level to know if I am too short or too long on the Euro USD. Okay, so that is my bias for the Euro USD. Then let's proceed to the GBP USD. Okay, so guys, on the GBP USD, we can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend. Okay, so what do we see, right? Clearly market is forming higher highs. Okay, taking off this previous high, we have a new high here, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, although there's a small swing here, but then let's go with this higher high, right? And then we have this. So what are we looking at on the GBP USD? Okay, first let me identify this uptrend. Okay, the market is clearly in an uptrend. Okay, so we can see that this market, right, okay, this market has clearly broken this trend, and then we can also clearly identify a zone, right, where the price is currently sitting at. Okay, so guys, what can you see on the chart? Firstly, price is sitting on this level, but we can also, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, it will be clearer, but let me do this here. As you can see here, there is a structure here, right? There's a structure here that this price has taken off, right, with a momentum candle. So if we extend it, right, we can have this. So there's a break of trend, there's a break of structure, but where this price is currently sitting at is a strong zone because I've tested it a couple of times. Okay, so basically, just like I said on the Euro USD, I am also going to keep an eye on this level, right? This is still a buy bias for me, guys. It's still a buy bias. This is a break, this is a retest, a double bottom, right? Okay, so and we are having some kind of a rejection, some kind of rejections at this zone. So let's just see how the market plays out. I'm going to keep an eye on this level, okay, to see how this level reacts. To be conservative, because I always love being conservative, to be conservative, for me to short this pair, I would like to see a break of this zone, right, a break of this structure. I would like to see a break and then a kind of a pullback to this level or somewhere around here or somewhere around here. Okay, I would use my fib retracement tool to get that retracement, and then on that note, I'm going to short all the way down to this zone. We have a zone here, we have a zone, right? So this will be my exit. Okay, this will be my exit. So guys, this is what I'll be looking at for the GBP USD. But if I see a clear confluence here, then I'll be seriously, this market is still in an uptrend because it's yet to take off this structure. Okay, yet to take off that structure. So except price, you know, gives us something like this, and then we go all the way up. All right, we continue with the uptrend. But then GBPUSD, we are looking at this key level to see what we will do by tomorrow or for the week. So guys, we are going on to the gold. Okay, so for the gold pair, we can clearly see that price is still in an uptrend. Okay, I know we all know, taking off the structure, we have a new high, all right, giving us price failing to take off the structure. Okay, price failing to take off the structure, and then giving us double top. Okay, you know, this price has been in a seamless uptrend and then failed to form a new high. So identifying the trend, we have an uptrend here, so we can clearly see that we have an uptrend. We have, sorry about that, we have an uptrend here. Okay, and then we have a clear retest of the trend and this structure giving us a double bottom. Okay, there's a double top here. The double top, if you scale down to the 1 hour, it will be more clearer, guys. So I'm looking at to short, all right, the gold pair. Looking at to short the gold pair to the zone. Okay, this will be our first TP. So how do we go about this? We can clearly see that there is a small structure around the zone. There's a small structure around the zone. So I'm looking at price, all right, taking off the structure, something like this, and then pull back to the zone, giving us a new low, new lower high, and then we short to the zone. Okay, and if this whole zone doesn't hold, we write it down to this or the zone around here. So guys, that's my bias for gold. Next on the list is the USD CAD. Okay, the USD CAD, right? So guys, what can you see? Right, I can see the market's in an uptrend. We have an impulsive move, and currently the market is correcting. Okay, so let's quickly, can see it's an uptrend, right? I don't want to make this video longer. I've done that a couple of times. So clearly we can see a break of this structure and a retest. Okay, you can see a clear break of structure and a retest. So what is the market currently doing? What consolidation are we having here? We can see the market, right, forming a kind of a triangle to the downside, to the last structure that it broke. Okay, and then on the trend line here, we have a clear break of trend and structure. You can identify a structure zone around here, guys. We have the structure zone where price is currently sitting at. Okay, we have structures and where price is currently sitting at. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at to go long on the USD CAD. Okay, but then let me also go on to use the Fibo retracement to know to what extent this retracement will hold. Okay, so currently price is at the 38 retracement level. I'm going to keep an eye on this level to see how it reacts. If this level does not hold, we have the 50 retracement level, and then we also have the 61.8 retracement level. So I'm going to see how price reacts at these levels to continue with the trend, with the uptrend. Okay, so I'm expecting to go long on the USD CAD. Okay, so guys, I do not want this video to be lengthy, so I'll be stopping here for today. Okay, if you want more updates on the forex market, educational content, and winning signal, just go ahead, click the link in the description box to join my Telegram community where I share a lot of valuable content. I'll see you in the next video.